8 Easiest Ways to Make Money Online. Nowadays, earning money online has become a trending topic. If you have some basic skills like typing, communication skills, excellent attention to detail to work online, then you can earn a passive income. You can do these side hustles, even if you are a student, and make your life enjoyable and cheerful. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. So, let's talk about it. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about 8 easiest ways to make money online. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of the video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. We are living in the digital age, where people can create incredible opportunities for themselves with nothing more than an internet connection and the right skills. The technology in the present day will even allow you to sell your services to people around the globe without giving you a tough time. So, how do you get started? Number 1. Launch an affiliate website. Promoting products from other companies is one of the best ways to make money online. Affiliate sites are magazine or blogging websites that include reviews and references to specific items. You link out these items using a special URL that tracks a customer's purchase. And whenever someone buys something that you are promoting, you earn a small commission in return. For most people, affiliate sites are just a way to earn extra income. However, there are also multi-million-dollar sites out there built entirely on affiliate sales. For instance, Pat Flynn earns a significant amount of his income through affiliate marketing. So, when creating affiliate sites, remember, only recommend products and services that you generally believe in. This will help to grow your reputation and establish trust among your site visitors. Partner with reputable and well-known brands to improve your chances of securing sales. Always work on growing your email list and your following using valuable content. In addition, the best affiliate sites are often those devoted to a specific niche. For instance, e-commerce booth only reviews e-commerce related products. Number 2. Build an e-commerce site. E-commerce sites have been growing in popularity in recent years, thanks to the growth of platforms like WordPress and WooCommerce. If you like the idea of selling tangible products to customers, an e-commerce store may be right for you. There are many options available for selling physical products online. For example, you can create your own products and ship them to people around the world, or you can purchase cheap goods from other manufacturers and sell them for a markup. Recently, strategies like dropshipping have also emerged for entrepreneurs who don't want to deal with inventory management, product storage, or shipping products. Remember, whatever e-commerce strategy you choose, you'll need to make sure that you have a fast-loading website to encourage your customers to finalize their purchases, a reliable checkout process with multiple payment options, shipping strategies to deliver your products to customers at ideal prices too. Currently, WooCommerce is the most popular platform available for people who want to start e-commerce stores on WordPress. Number 3. Create an online directory or job board. Digital directories might not be as popular as they once were, but they still offer plenty of opportunities to make a profit online. If you know a great deal about a specific industry, like marketing or web developing, you can build a website that's devoted to helping people find the companies that they want to work with. Directories generate money because people will pay you to be listed on your site, provided that you begin to earn a reasonable number of followers. And if your site gets a high enough domain authority, you may even begin to attract leading businesses from around the world, and they'll want to pay a monthly fee to join your group. Alternatively, you can take the same strategy and build a job board for industry specialists instead. For instance, the Pro Blogger Job Board asks companies to pay when they want to list an opening on the website. Because the site has a good reputation, it helps organizations to track down hundreds of candidates for all of their listings. Number 4. Record a podcast or video series. If you like the idea of sharing content as a way of making money online, but you're not much of a writer, why not try videos or podcasts instead? Podcasts are growing hotter by the minute, particularly as people look for convenient and passive ways to consume content. Your customers can listen to your podcast on the go while they're driving to work in their car or while they're taking the train. People even love to listen to podcasts as they get their daily dose of exercise in. Although it may take a while to get the audience you need to earn money from your podcast, the potential is there. For instance, Entrepreneur on Fire podcast John Lee Dumas earns a whopping $200,000 per month from his show. Videos are an excellent opportunity too, with content posted on both your website and channels like YouTube. You can give your audience plenty of engaging material to interact with. Since people are streaming and viewing digital media more than they view television today, it only makes sense to get in on the action. Number 5. Get paid for writing on Medium. Medium is the largest and best platform where anyone can write and earn a great amount of money. If you are good at writing, then you can start writing on Medium. To get paid on Medium, you have to join Medium Partner Program. After publishing a story, the more your article gets views by Medium members, the more you will earn. For that, you have to choose great content that matches the skill and a catchy title, because if you have a great title, people will get attracted to your story. It is the best site for a beginner to earn extra income, as Medium allows everyone to share their story. Moreover, more than 200 million people are on Medium. Most writers who publish at least one article on Medium per month generate some money. Number 6. Start a dropshipping business. No, you don't need to buy any stock, package, store, or ship it. Dropshipping is an easy-to-start online business. Although it involves stocks, there is no need to buy and store them in your shop. This is how it works. You place an order on behalf of your customer to a manufacturer. The manufacturer then ships the order directly to the customer. You receive the payment directly from the customer. Then you pay your manufacturer's wholesale price. The rest becomes your own money to use. However, you need to be careful with whom you choose as your supplier or manufacturer. Your manufacturer should be reliable and supply quality products. You can use your blog or start an online store on your Shopify platform to start a dropshipping business. And if you are looking for reliable suppliers, check out AliDropship. Number 7. Become an Instagram influencer. An influencer is a person who has a large number of online followers, including high-profile persons and celebs, in a specific field or industry such as gaming, food, beauty, fashion, fitness, etc. A favorite fad among teenagers and youth, Instagram posts and videos can also help them earn a lot through sponsored posts, product reviews, brand promotion, selling photos, affiliate marketing, and selling one's own products. So, how do you do it? Step 1. Select your niche field. Something you are passionate about, have some kind of experience or expertise in, and a subject you can consistently post about. Step 2. Create a striking profile picture, as people will identify you with it, and make an engaging bio since it will determine your credibility. Step 3. Switch to professional or business account through settings, as it will open up various options to analyze, engage, and target your audiences. And there you have it. Number 8. Online surveys. Possibly one of the easiest ways for people to earn money is through paid online surveys. Swagbucks is among the most well-known sites and pays for participating in several activities like filling out surveys, watching videos, and shopping, among others. Some of the other sites which offer surveys are Taluna, Telepurse, Cash Crate, Valued Options, Opinion Bureau, StreetBees app, etc. Each site typically has a fixed number of surveys a person can attempt in a month. So, how does it work? Step 1. Register with the website by giving basic personal information and an account will be created for you. Step 2. The surveys will be sent through the registered email to you. Step 3. Fill up as many surveys as you can, and the points will be credited to your account. Redeem these as you want. You usually earn points which can be redeemed in the form of cash, via checks or other gift vouchers and cards. You can earn Rs 1,000 to 2,000 a week, so it is better to register with at least 8 to 10 sites or apps to earn well. And there you have it. 8 solid ways to make money online, no matter what your niche or skill set is. So whether you start a blog, record a podcast, or just sell your knowledge online, there are plenty of reasons to start your journey toward new online profits. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Which investment did you like the most? Share with us in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.